Shivaya, Om Amitesh Namah. Today I will share the summary of the chapter, the third level by Jackie Finlay. In this chapter, the Charlie feels that there are three levels of the Grand Central Station, but in reality there was only two. The sham, that is psychiatrist, says that it was his walking dream wish fulfillment, and narrator says that it was he wanted to escape this reality. The narrator's, apart from that, the narrator's hobby was stamp collection. The psychiatrist's friend says that his stamp collection was a temporary refuge from this reality. Narrator did not agree with this, as he also says that his grandfather also used to collect the stamp, but he enjoyed his life. He did not want to escape this reality. And one day, the Charlie was late from his office, and he wanted to go home. So he took the subway to go home little fast. So while he opened the door of the subway, he saw that it was completely different. He followed the way of the first level, then the second level, but he also saw that there was another stair that was moving in a different direction, that no one was going to there. But he went there. He saw that there was a very old stair was full of mud and etc. That was never seen by him. He went. He can see that there are lot of trees, branches in the way. So he followed the way. He saw, after reaching that, he saw that it was this completely different scenario. That he felt that he have went to the past it was a completely different. Narrator says that he have seen there was a very fewer ticket counter there, and there was a windows and old frame. The train that was steam train that was not in this, that was always in the 19th centuries. He feels that he have reached the third level. To confirm that, he went to a newspaper boy and sees that the newspaper that was dated 11th June 1894. He was very much shocked. And he says that he have entered to the third level of the Grand Central Station. The narrator wanted two tickets to go to Gallensburg, Illinois with his wife, and he imagines that only after 20 years there will be a World War I, and after 40 years there will be a World War II. And he also says that he went to the ticket counter and gave his money, but the ticket counter refused to take him because it was unknown to him. And so the ticket counter told him that if he won't go from here, he would call the police and he would have to go to the jail. And the narrator thought that 19th century jail was very much horrible, so he ran from there. And the next day he goes to the bank and demanded and he exchanged $300 his own currency to his old currency. He only got $200, but he was pretty much happy with that because he really wanted to go to there. On the next day, when Charlie visited the Grand Central Station to go to the third level, but he was not able to go there this time, and everyone was very much worried about him. Especially his wife was very much worried about him, and she wanted that Charlie could resume his old hobby about stamp collection. But when Sam disappeared, he thought that that he have went to the third level, and the Sham's wife Elisa was also thinking that, and then they both of them went to search for the third level. While fusing with the old stamps, Charlie found the first day cover. It is a type of envelope that when a new stamp is issued, the collector used to buy them and used to mail themselves in behalf of their first sale. These type of mails are known as the first day cover. These envelopes always used to be empty and blank, but when narrator was opening his old stamp, he found a first day cover that was never before. After some research, he found that someone has mailed to his grandfather that the letter was to his home address, Galensburg, in 18 July 1894. He thought that it will be completely empty as it was first discovered, but it was not. It was a letter from Sham. He says that he have reached to the third level, and he also says that to Charlie and his wife to reach the third level as soon as possible. It is a very good place, and it was full of peacefulness. Um, at this time, the Charlie believes that Charlie have reached that the Sham has reached to the third level. The next day, Charlie found that the Sham has exchanged $800 to the old currency note to start his own business, about to set up a hay and feed his grain business. But as he have always dreamed about that, but as he was a psychiatrist, he could not go back to his old business as he was in Galensburg, Illinois in 1894. Because as a psychiatrist, at that time there was no necessity of a psychiatrist. Thank you.